Yo guys, so we're gonna start today on the A4 built-in version. This guy's got A-lift performance struts for his front and instruction manual. These babies. He's got his two front struts. Fittings that we don't really use because they leak. One of those is that's within the box. Trying to do this with one hand. But yeah, this is our A-lift performance strut looks for B7 platform. Basically, we have your height adjustability. The bag does not turn down over here, it's sealed over here. This part is just inside this column over here. Then of course he has his top mount and everything else over there. But yeah, that's the front. Those bags we're using for the rear over there. He currently has Maxra coilovers in, so we're going to be removing those and putting the wheel A struts in here. It's the front, it's the rear over here. I know there's a bit of a mission to remove, but we'll see how it goes. Yeah, his boot's fairly done already. He's just mounting his tank over here. And his compressor and his valves are going underneath him. And he still has a big section for his boot. So he has his spare wheel still and everything's going underneath over there. Yeah, then he is fitting a single wire compressor and his solenoid valves, which I'm going to build the valve tank. Now, at least some mock out the fittings and now I'm going to build. It's these guys, the 3/8 big boys, kind of big boys. Okay guys, so far on the Audi we managed to strip everything down. The rear woodwork is really done. The owner actually did it himself. We cut the wheels off, we stripped the front out. And we stripped the engine bay compartment out already. And like I showed you earlier, these are the struts we're putting in. His strength is almost prepped already. I just have to go get fittings tomorrow, order and collect them. So those are the old Maxtrack struts that came out of the car and top hatch. Then yeah, hopefully tomorrow I won't be here. I have work, office work, and Thursday office work. Today's Tuesday. I'll probably upload these videos tonight. You'll probably only need to see it tomorrow morning, so it's the next day for you guys. Yesterday's video also, there was a problem uploading last night, so I'll upload that as well tonight. Hopefully I can do both. And then you'll see how the car came in, put up in lift, and we finished the tears yesterday as well. And we got the Audi in. So there's a couple other cars planned to come through in as well. But so far, yeah, today we had a lot of people come in the stores because we never got much done on the Audi. But yeah, so far we're getting along quite well. But then his plans for this car, we put in the gauge and things. I'm going to show you that quickly. In over here, okay, he made the panel already, but I think I have to make another one because I don't really like how this one looks. It's a bit rugged. He wants his gauge over there, right? And he wants his switches over here to control. So I stripped on that to get to the switches, and I had to run the pathway to look at the piping over there through. Thanks for those guys who have been watching and subscribing to my channel. If you guys would like to see more, hit the sub button at the bottom. Comment if you want to see more or the work we're doing, any particular things you want to see. Let me know. Anything you can recommend, let me know. Any suggestions, comment below. And yeah, like the video, it will really help me a lot. It will encourage me to post more regularly and to vlog more regularly as well. And yeah, if you want to be updated or whenever I post latest videos, hit the little bell at the bottom, and you'll get a notification. I'm aiming not too high, but I'm aiming for at least 2 to 3 times a week I'll upload. And I'm hopefully pushing for every day, but I'll see how it goes. It will be like 5-minute videos a day. I don't want to do too much because there's a lot of filming, a lot of editing around. I don't edit that well yet, so I'm getting there slowly. But yeah, like I said, sub, hit a like, please share if you can. Cool, man. Check you guys.